Hello and welcome to what is on at MJB this week. We have a good portion of our team heading off to India with a big group of our current clients, which we're very, very excited for. They are going to have a ball, and all of us left here behind are going to soothe ourselves of the fact that we're not in India. However, we do have the beautiful opportunity of continuing to serve you all, so that does make up for it. Now, in that respect, what we have coming up this week, as usual, is our group coaching through a couple of different formats. So we have our business development program Evolve, and we're supporting our clients there through our Tactical Tuesdays, which is happening at 2:30 on Tuesday. Also our masterclass on the Wednesday at 3 p.m. And this week we actually do have a full day event where we're going really deep into compelling offers for our Evolve community on Friday, all day long. If you are not part of the Evolve community, but you do want to have a piece of that, you really want to look at how you can improve your business and how you can get ahead with a better compelling offer, then you can join that for only $97. The link will be below this video. So do jump on and have a look at that. The other thing that we have, of course, is our Relationships and You group coaching call on Tuesday at 4:30. Now, all of these times are Perth Western Standard Time, so do make the changes depending on where you are in the country or the world. But either way, we really look forward to seeing you guys around. Jump on where you can, engage where you can, and reach out if you need anything at all. If you would like some support, or if you would like to look at, okay, I'm actually pretty comfortable with where I am right now. How do I take this to the next level? Let's have a chat.